Destin, Florida, home of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Every year, thousands of locals and visitors flock to Destin's beaches to enjoy the white sands, sun, and crystal clear water. At Destin Fire and Rescue, we understand that even in water that appears to be calm, unexpected emergencies can occur, and the Destin Fire and Rescue Beach Safety Division exists for just that reason. Our rescue professionals protect Destin's beaches with ATVs, wave runners, and our fireboat, all backed up by firefighters and paramedics staffing our stations. Our members are USLA certified open water rescuers trained to the highest standards, equipped with the best tools, and always ready. Ensuring your safety in our waters, Destin Beach Safety, working hard to make sure the world's most beautiful beaches are also the safest.